Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the files and device. First, identify your Android build and OEM so you know if system fonts can be replaced. This matters for compatibility. Next, download the iPhone emoji font package to a PC and keep a backup copy because you may need to revert. Finally, enable developer options and USB debugging on your phone so you can transfer files and use a DB. This lets you push fonts directly rather than guessing with apps. Once done with prep, connect your device and use a DB to access system files. If rooted, remount /system read write or install a Magisk module which avoids direct edits. Both approaches let you change the system emoji file. Make a full backup of the original Noto color emoji, TTF or equivalent, so you can restore if needed. Then push the iOS emoji file to /system/fonts or install the Magisk flavored font and ensure file. After installation, reboot and test emojis across apps so you confirm rendering everywhere. If icons appear missing or misaligned, first clear the app cache and restart the app. Make sure you reboot after any font change. If problems persist, restore the original font from your backup, then reapply with correct permissions, or switch to a Magisk module which handles SE Linux and permission issues automatically. One key troubleshooting tip. Incorrect file permissions or SE Linux mode are the usual causes. Fixing those usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.